The pursuit of social and emotional development through a racial equity lens is a call to action that we must not ignore. Diversity, equity, and inclusion training develops cross-cultural skills and a positive attitude toward our cultural differences in this world of diverse ethnic groups. DE&I training is essential to our systems and processes, now more than ever. With a culturally relevant and rigorous curriculum, I create an acceptance mindset where everyone here feels they deserve to be here, and it's our combined effort and commitment to create that environment of diverse perspectives that will create the change I believe we all want to see, to influence positive interactions with others, to develop a positive attitude toward cultural differences, to establish anti-bias and anti-racist practices and worldviews, to equalize access to high-value projects and roles of high responsibility, to improve employee retention and productivity, to build a culture that promotes respect and engages employees to be a part of the solution, to create cultural awareness and racial sensitivity to prevent harassment and conflict, to ensure our systems create a diverse and inclusive workplace, to create social environments where everyone feels like they belong, to create true racial equity so that we all win. Book me now to conduct your transformational workshop to encourage your employees, students, teachers, and colleagues to become color brave instead of color blind.